Good morning from camp, guys. I didn't plan on filming this morning. I was just gonna wake up and break camp, head to the Painted Hills for some photos and videos. But look what I woke up to. Winter wonderland out here all of a sudden. Most of the night last night was brutal again. Just crazy winds. Crazy. I'm gonna have to look up how fast the winds were when I get back to town. Just unbelievably strong winds, but during the night those eventually subsided and I could hear the little snowflakes, and you know how it gets really quiet when it snows. And so the second half of the night I got some really solid sleep. Thankful for that. But let me show you guys what the campsite looks like while I'm having a cup of joe. Yeah, what a beautiful way to wake up. Everything's so peaceful and quiet out here. Birds are chirping. There's the tent. I've already taken the cover off because I'm breaking camp right now. But yeah, nothing serious, a slight dusting. You know, this is where I had my little firewood shanty, which I've already taken down this morning. Just stunning. Well, that's what the camp's like when you wake up to snow. Beautiful. It's time for me to break camp. I've really enjoyed being here over the weekend. I will be back to this national forest again, probably within the camping season. I filmed a lot of videos for you guys. I think right now I filmed 13 complete videos, 2 of which I'll finish today. Longer videos. I've had a lot of fun making them, and had a lot of fun out in nature this weekend. So be safe, happy camping, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye bye.